Now the second part of our today's lecture, that is computer aided drafting and design, that is a CAD. CAD, computer aided drafting and design, is the computer process of making engineering drawings and technical documents more closely related to drafting and with more precision. Evaluation of engineering drawing, process and time. Ideation, sketch an idea, create drawings, manufacturing. Here, first of all, in our mind comes ideas. So the second step, we will make the sketches with pencil and paper, rough sketches. Then we will make drawings with traditional tools, drawing tools like the T-square, set-square, compass, etc. The second option, we can go for computer. The third option, we can make the small models, like before construction of the actual building, we can make a small model, either make of foam, plastic or wood, so that we can understand the behavior of the structure. Or similarly, any device, small device or machine part, we can make the model by any soft material so that we can understand in detail. Then after that, working drawing is combined with these traditional orthographic drawings and AutoCAD drawings. Then it is given to the manufacturer, a manufacturing conventional machine that is operated by manual operate, that is a lathe machine. And there is also for the manufacturing of part, there is latest technology, that is CNC machine, computer controlled machine. Okay, that is interpret by operator by person, create machine code by operator, that is done by computer. So machine make the model. So after, at the end, we got the parts as per our desired needs. Advantages of CAD: increase accuracy, increase drawing speed, ease to revise, means if there is any mistake, we can just with the computer press delete, the line will be deleted, easy to revise. Availability of drawing library, there is already built-in library like washrooms, sink, basins, trees, sofas, bedroom, all the library almost are already present in the AutoCAD. So that is easy to use. Design stage, build in several analysis tools, like after making a geometry with a single command of area, you can measure the area. So better presentation, easy to visualize. Then we can rotate the model, animate, shade and texture. Concepts in working drawing creations. 2D drawing, 2D CAD, draw a group of lines that are connected and present orthographic, multi-views, pictorial views. And in the solid geometry, when we make the models, draw a closed contour and convert to surface. Modify this surface to the solid object. Create an orthographic view from a solid object. That can be done in the 3D drawing in the CAD. Limitation of CAD. Within scope of drawing creation, parts or products information is completely given. Information is clearly presented. Information can be used in manufacturing of part. That is a good reminder. Always remind yourself, good drawing cannot be created by using CAD software alone. It is with the help of CAD only you cannot make the good drawings without understanding the drawing concepts. If you do not know what is center line, hidden line, how to make circles with holes, so how to show the hidden features. So if you do not know that drawing concepts, you cannot make the good drawings. So for making of good drawings, you should know drawing concepts and also CAD. To create a good engineering drawings, you must do the following tasks yourself. Apply a proper line weight and style, means what will be the thickness. Select a necessary view, which will be necessary. Decide the appropriate place of dimensions, where dimensions will be placed. Select an appropriate section techniques if that is necessary. Section views. Limitation of CAD. No CAD software can create a pictorial or 3D view from an orthographic view or multi-view automatically, because they are frequently used technical documents. Therefore, you must prepare yourself for interpreting or visualizing them when you become an engineer. So that is your responsibility to how to read the orthographic or multi-view drawings to visualize the 3D object. That is your responsibility. Now here is a brief demonstration of the drawings in the drawing sheet. So here is a top view, front view. You can say that is from the behind, that is rear view, and the side view. So but in this drawing there is a one disadvantage, that there is no detailing. So the second one, the top view, whatever the drawing is shown, top view. Okay, so here is the top view. So if you see from this side, that is the view here. So in this drawing, the arrangements are not properly top view, front view, and side view, but the views are okay. So in this drawing, the detailing is shown, that is looking good. Now again, that is the third one drawing, that is the top view. Okay, the front view, there is a hole behind. Okay, if you see from this side, from the back side, this view will be here, and if you see from this side, okay, so this view will be here. Again, in this drawing, the dimensions is not shown. Now in the portrait phase, the drawing is shown in the portrait, meaning in the vertical side. It is the top view, again the back view. Okay, so side view, all the views are shown with the detailing. So that's all for today's lecture. Have a nice day.